Unitarian Union North East India kala Rakhe ka jingdap shispa asan post nam bakha yu nong sang ya ka Balang Unitarian haki lum khasi jantia para ka than shatei lamengi barok away Reverend Hajom Kissor sing lingdo nongbri haka khat santri ujliu khat praspan repusan but ulakhla no haka khatla tri unai wieng khakandais pa arpulai ya kani ge jingra khi Kynmaw Burom ya ka Sngi ni nongelam niam banikong ka Balang Unitarian lapulong haka jingelang hapo Orbindo Institute of Indian Culture Shillong haka bau nong aibuit ka sarkar jala Dr. Didi Lapang ulalong kumukong san haringkat kajingdolang Dr. Silvanus Lamari, member Sahitya Academy, Reverend David Giro, Deputy Bishop Hungarian Unitarian Church, Batkiwe.
We are in your midst and furtherly to be here to remember this great man, Most Reverend Hajom Kissor Singh. We remember 150 of his birth anniversary. Sometime with the explosion of knowledge, science and technology, always there is a tendency to forget. Sometimes we forget even origin. We forget the value of parents and all. We forget to the services religious. We are very glad to say that the Union Church in Meghalaya and Northeast remember him afresh. That footprints that Mr. K. Singh has put in the world. He is still alive, still fresh in your memory, and still you want to. There is a quotation is said by Longfellow, lives of great men all remind us. We can live and leave behind footprints, and the sign of time will be teaching all around. I made to understand that you have been organizing a observe this occasion in a befitting manner, which also included theological symposium. It is my privilege to meet friends from broader set, and I wish Most Reverend Kissor Singh is yet to be discovered fully. I remember that I met you again when you expressed a lot of the problems. I feel you have contributed a lot toward the growth of society and also to the spiritual arena where people can be closer to God and realize the Creator's value. 150 years ago at this day, the 15th June, in remote sites of village of Sora, Hajom Kissor Singh was born to Borsing, Malyan and Bida Nombre. Nobody knows that a small seed thrown by God will one day be a giant tree, where under the mighty shades of this tree, many people can get blessings to protect themselves, the sun, the rain, and the storm, and that is Babu Kissor Singh.